want him to know to be a player with me, but not of Roblox for. So I mean, it is no Roblox yet. I haven't seen any Roblox ever. So you need. Okay, you need. Why did I go there? Okay, so what again? But we need to start off the battle. If you want other covers, you can do it. The probably can't buy it because it's so not. It's now not too late right now. Keeps you can do this one. They eat and drink the cover if you can use the cover. Okay, that's it. Progress is 7 bucks. Wait, I will learn how the characters. I will show you the characters. Yes, the play characters. Okay, so you need wait, you need this guy here. Okay. Okay, Squid Glass Drop Dead. He is he is not invisible. Is for this is for the person, guys. Yeah, this is for the person. And okay, so okay, you need Claire for the hands. Lanes for the hands. But I will say it's Claire from and you will need his legs, guys. No, it's not his legs. His legs. Okay. But this one is my photos. Don't get that one. This one. Okay. And then let's do this one. Claire. And it's the legs is for Dennis. Wait, what is happening here? That's just this. I will show you how to do it. Wait, what the heck? Wait, I really click that. Wait, things and yeah, I have so many things. I have so many creating things. Let's do this. Wait. Bye. Wait. Stop by. I'm just gonna post this. Okay. Can see that, guys? The fire. White. Okay. Can see that, guys? Easy peasy and glow. Let's look over here. Okay. I'm going to use my photos. You can use my photos. Oh, they not want the accessories, right? I will show you how to get accessories. This is what they're using right now. And have you seen the copy? This is what they're using. Look at that. Guys, look at that. Okay, this is for my buttons. Good right. And if you want to get these things, this my box is still there. And there, sorry. And okay, this and this. This not a boom. Go and there and go and let them go there. Let they use things go boom. To know this one or this one, just play it, guys. Maybe you will get the items of other items there. It's a challenge. Okay, you don't mind that, right? Okay. See, no need to play, let it play to up. It will give you straight away. So that's all. Bye.